everyone, this is Steven Smith with MarineMax in Stewart, coming to you today with a fresh premium brokerage listing. This is a 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. This is the new model, and it also has the upgraded 400 horsepower V10 engine. Quick walkthrough at the front here. We have the bow ladder and the deployable windlass. So this is an electronic windlass with a remote, deployable bow ladder, freshwater rinse down there so you can rinse off the anchor. As you can see above me, this is optioned with the forward sunshade, carbon fiber poles. This does have the premium audio package with the upgraded Fusion speakers and the SeaDeck flooring all throughout. We also have both of the tables, cockpit and bow table, and we also have the filler cushion. You can see the photos that show that in place as well. As we make our way back here, on the port side of the boat, there's a nice control for the Fusion audio. There's a small glove box here. This is great for phone, wallet, keys, things like that. There's a charger in there as well. On the walkthrough, this is a dedicated place to store your tables, both of the teak tables that come with the boat. You have a block-off wind door. This boat does feature the upgraded vacuum flush head. You can see the cushion for the forward lounge area in there as well, with a freshwater sink. Nice storage area that has the upgraded interior package with all the cushions. At the helm, you'll see the twin Simrad 9-inch displays. This boat has super low hours, just over 80 hours on it. You've got the tilt steering wheel, trim tabs there, and you also have this nice captain seat, which has a fold down bolster and can move backwards so that you can turn this into a rear facing lounger. Same thing on the opposite side seat. You can flip this back. You have a really large storage compartment here with storage for all your covers, your additional safety gear, cleaning kit, things like that. We also have a nice cooler storage area here. This is a built-in cooler that drains into the bilge. SeaDeck all throughout the boat. This boat is equipped with an electronic power tower as well. So this is the tower that folds forward to the windshield. And a nice large storage compartment here. A few things the previous owner added that will go with the boat. That nice fishing and prep table. He added 2 rod holders at the back of the boat. He also included a barbecue grill that goes on the swim platform. That comes with the boat. You have a nice lay down sun pad, and you've got a really nice transom area here with a place to mount that grill, your rod holders, and then as I mentioned before, this does have the upgraded 400 horsepower V10 max power for this boat. This is a brand new brokerage listing. Come see it today at MarineMax Stewart. My name is Steven Smith.